The stars jealously keep this secret. When you discover this, you will never again face damaged ties. Who has never had a garment or clothes with defective ties? With the constant use, the ties of the garments tend to get stuck, and over time they are prone to damage. But no more, because today I will show you an incredible solution to restore the ties of the garments, leaving them as new and without spending a penny, so you will not have to throw away that garment that you like so much or take it to the trash. To begin with, the first thing we will need is a plastic bottle. You can choose the color you prefer. Now, with the help of a knife, we will cut the central part of the bottle. With a small part of the plastic, it will be more than enough. More or less about 4 centimeters. Do it the way I show you. After we have a small piece, we cut it again around the corners using scissors. And it should be about this size. We will place the folded strip on the broken zipper. Next, we will take hot glue and apply it on the broken top of the zipper. If you do not have hot glue, you can use conventional adhesive glue. Press gently to give it a better shape or cut with scissors to make it thinner. Then we will take a clamp and flatten both sides as much as possible. This way it will be well fixed and will not lock when the zippers are raised. At this point, the glue will have set correctly. If we use the same color as the original clothes, it will look much better. Once cut, we will try placing the plastic part implanted between the teeth of the zipper, as we normally do. As you can see, the zipper teeth slide very easily and look like new. The best of all is that this does not affect the beauty of the garment. If you got here, make this video reach your friends, so I will know that you will try this method the next time you damage a zipper. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to be the first to receive our videos.